Welcome back to the channel. My name's Cole.Shelton, and we're going to be looking at XLM in this video. Now, if you guys haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and I know we can do it. I'm going to be posting great content like this every single week. And if you haven't seen my VXV video, go check it out. I linked it at the end of the video. I post everything you need to know about VXV. If you don't know what VXV is an AI crypto that is looking to completely change the way that we look at data, and data is worth trillions. So I highly suggest you guys watch that. So make sure to stay to the end to get that link. Now let's jump right into the video. Now, if we go ahead and look at XLM, I'm not a huge fan of this gap, but it looks like we are cupping with a potential handle. And if we take a Fibonacci retracement from the low to the high, we can see that we pulled right into this OTE zone, or optimal trade entry zone. And if we go ahead and use a Fibonacci extension, we can see that we have a potential price target of $1.14 to $1.35. Now that is a absolutely massive price target that, it could definitely hit if we do continue in this bull market from where it is right now. That is a 280% gainer. Again, that's a little steep because the bull market is it looks to be getting a little weak, but we haven't crossed the trend line. If you want to know how I find out if we're in a bear market or not, check out my technical analysis on Bitcoin. And if we go ahead and jump over to the weekly, we do have a downtrend on the play, or a potential wedge pattern formation. We have 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. And it does look like it's building up on the downtrend more than it's building up on the uptrend. So I do think we're going to crack to the downside, which is unfortunate. Now, some levels that we have to keep on watch is this 20 cent level. We have some stronger resistance or support at 30.31, 40.41, and this high and these highs. The RSI is not really giving us any divergence, so that is neither good or bad. And let's go ahead and take a peek at our MACD. The MACD is just sitting sideways right now, and it's not giving us a buy or sell signal, so I would not be using the MACD right now. It's just not respecting the price action. We also could be building up to break to the upside using an ascending triangle. We have the first move, pull back, and we might just be wedging break out of this trend line and might squeeze us all the way back up to that 60 cent level. And from there, let's actually go ahead and take our a measured move from this low, and that actually gives us a price target of, again, that 60 cent level. And if we go ahead and use our Fibonacci retracements, hold back into that OTE zone, let's use our extensions now. Again, that gives us that 60 cent level. So we have three different tools and indicators that give us that 60 cent price target for XLM, and I think it definitely could happen. Ripple and XLM always pump last in the bull market. And let's go ahead and jump over to the daily. We can see this a little bit more clear. We have some very high volume selling pressure in these areas. I would like to see that on a doji candle, but that's not really what we're seeing. Seems like this might be a selling climax. Every time we get up in this area, boom, sell. Here with high volume and up into this level, high volume, and then if we popped up again with some slight selling pressure, again we had some relative high volume compared to the rest. Now that's not really what I want to see, but again, this is not a confirmed selling climax unless we break this 31 cent level and this trend line. And that's about it for XLM. I think if we do crack this trend line to the upside, I think we'll be able to see around a 55 to 60 cent price target. And if we break to the downside, we're going to have some support at 25 and 20 cents. Break 20 cents, I'm not touching this. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys haven't already, consider subscribing. It's free. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and I know we can do it. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.